In this video, we are going to understand everything about templates in InstaWP, what features they include, how they can be shared, how they can be monetized, and how they can support workflows like demos, client sites, template selling, and website as a service. In InstaWP, a template is a reusable copy of a pre-configured WordPress website. It includes the parent site's themes, plugins, contents, layouts, settings, and configurations. You can sell these templates or use them for building a website as a service business. You can find the templates option under the Sell drop-down in the InstaWP dashboard. From the main menu, you can edit a template, create a new site, or preview the template. To create a site, click Create Site, enter a site name, and select a plan. Once created, the site will appear in your sites list. You can also preview the template or click the three-dot menu to access additional options. From here, you can sync the template with its parent site, enable automatic syncing based on your preferences, sync the parent site's PHP configurations, edit the template pricing, and even delete the template. Now let's learn about the core options. Once a template is created, opening it gives you a set of options in the left sidebar. The options under stats and sharing work very similarly to what we covered in the snapshot overview video. So if you want those basics in details, watch that video as well. Templates add an extra monetized section on top, which is where the selling features live. Let's go through it. The pricing tab lets you control whether your template is free or paid. You can either choose to keep your template free or paid, set a price, and then click on update. To set a paid price, make sure your payout account is connected. The graph tab, like the one on snapshots, shows you when sites were created from this template over time. Once your template is monetized, a sales tab appears to track how your paid template is performing. As people buy your template and spin up new sites, you can review the sales, upcoming payouts, and earnings over here. You can export this data as a CSV file as well. Next, you have the store section. If you want your template to be discovered by other InstaWP users, this is the option you use. Before publishing, InstaWP shows you a confirmation screen where you can read the store guidelines, commissions, and publishing rules. Once you are ready, click I agree and wish to proceed. After that, you can add the store listing details like the template name, short description, long description, page builder, categories, tags, and change logs. Your template goes through the approval, and once approved, it appears on InstaWP Template Store where people can find it, buy it, and create new sites from it. So that's everything you need to know about templates in InstaWP. Use them for demos, client sites, paid templates, starter websites, training, store listings, and website as a service or WaaS workflows. Thank you so much for watching.